haven't flown this plane for a week, so built to check. It's ugly, don't mind it. Everything works. Alright, let's go. Oh well, let's go.
China cleared. Gear up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Come join me.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Flies like a turbine.
Sounds like one, looks like one.
Yeah.
It's like the real thing. It's a beautiful flight.
It's a fun plane too.
30 seconds.
I have. It's
And that's the first jet you guys all got involved in and were running.
that Baylands. Yeah. This is.
All of them at the same time.
Yeah.
This one performed beautifully.
Me and Frank were the ones who held on to it.
Did you change
The EDF is the units changed. Yeah, it's an FMS now.
9, 8,
It
7, 6.
It livened it up
5,
even more.
4, 3.
I had it radared close to 140,
Time expired.
It's quick.
and that was with the old battery, so it's even better now. Yeah.
They don't build, they still sell that plane.
Yeah, they do. I think they changed the power setup too, but I like what's in it.
Gear down.
Yeah, I was just looking at pictures of this thing. 2015 is when we first got it.
I remember watching you all fly and everybody, Eric kept saying, oh, you got one of those things. I said, I never bought one of them. Definitely, I couldn't fly off the side of the pathway like you guys were.
Yeah, the pathway. We didn't realize how good we'd gotten flying off the path.
Yeah.
Because when you land these things on the grass, you have to get it perfect. Otherwise, it just self-destructs. Because I went and tried to fly there after having flown on runways like this, and I almost killed it. So we didn't realize how good we'd gotten flying there at Baylands with these things. But
when it was a reasonably priced airplane. It was
Yeah.
like only $300.
I think it still is. It's 289. Yeah, 289 Canadian, something like that. And they changed the fan unit, so it's even better now.
I like that. But I couldn't fly like the plane.